From this video, you will get tips to prepare for AD0-E725 Adobe Commerce Developer Expert Exam. What is AD0-E725 Adobe Commerce Developer Expert Exam? Recommended knowledge and skills. Exam information. Exam structure. Exam preparation tips. One. After an Adobe Commerce upgrade to the latest available version, deployment on cloud is failing because one of the custom patches cannot be applied. Which action should the developer take to resolve the issue? A. Rerun the entire upgrade process from scratch. B. Run PHP, vendor, bin, ECE patches revert on cloud environment. C. Delete affected patch from Magento.app, YAML. D. Delete affected patch file from the M2 hotfixes directory. Answer: D. 2. Which two are correct for the PHP, vendor, bin, ECE tools wizard, master slave command? Choose 2. A. Verifies that the MySQL_use_slave_connection variable is set to true. B. Verifies that the varnish_use_slave_connection variable is set to true. C. Verifies that the redis_use_slave_connection variable is set to true. D. Verifies that the fastly_use_slave_connection variable is set to true. Answer: A, C. 3. An Adobe Commerce project on cloud, starter plan, is reaching MySQL disk space limit. What file should an Adobe Commerce developer edit to increase the disk space limit for MySQL? A. Magento.env, YAML. B. Magento/mysql.yaml. C. Magento/services.yaml. D. Magento/config.yaml. Answer: C. 4. An Adobe Commerce developer needs to expose data from a custom table to a product's API. There are specific permissions needed to access the data. Which two steps must the developer take to achieve this? Choose 2. A. Set a custom permission resource for a new extension attribute. B. Use plugin Magento, catalog, API, data, product interface to get data. C. Use is_allowed product interface to assign appropriate permissions. D. Add the extension attributes with a join statement to custom table. Answer: A, D. 5. A company's chief technology officer wants to disable one of Magento's core cron jobs. What is the recommended way that a developer should accomplish this? A. Utilize the cron_job_run event, then get cron by code and prevent code to execute. B. Rewrite the cron job schedule, then schedule a cron time that contains a date which will never happen. C. Rewrite the cron job, then add attribute disable equals true to job node. D. Disable the cron job from Magento admin panel. Answer: B. 6. A client creates a new price attribute named showroom price and wants to display this price alongside the normal price on the product detail page. Which two options are part of the process needed to achieve this requirement according to best practices? Choose 2. A. Call the attribute directly in the template file for the product detail page. B. Create a new component of typeform and create the rendering logic. C. Add the attribute to the product_form.xml file. D. Implement a data provider and add it to the UI_component XML file. Answer: B, D. 7. After an Adobe Commerce upgrade to the latest available version, deployment on cloud is failing because one of the custom patches cannot be applied. Which action should the developer take to resolve the issue? A. Delete affected patch file from the M2 hotfixes directory. B. Run php vendor bin ece patches revert on cloud environment. C. Delete affected patch from Magento.app YAML. D. Rerun the entire upgrade process from scratch. Answer: A. 8. Explain the steps to create and configure a custom CLI command that allows administrators to reset user passwords in bulk. A. Develop a new module, define the CLI command in the d.xml, and implement the command logic in a model class. B. Add the CLI command directly to the existing user module's controllers. C. Modify the core user management files to include CLI functionalities. D. Write a script in the root directory that can be called via cron job. Answer: A. 9. What are essential considerations when creating new admin grids in Adobe Commerce? Choose 3. A. Ensuring compatibility with existing store themes. B. Adhering to data privacy regulations when displaying user data. C. Implementing responsive design for mobile access. D. Defining the source model for the grid data. E. Customizing grid actions to match business requirements. Answer: B, D, E. 10. If a developer wants to add a custom validation rule to an admin form for product entry, which approach should they take? A. Modify the core validation JavaScript files. B. Add a new validation rule in the UI component XML file for the form. C. Create a plugin to intercept form submissions and apply custom validation. D. Rewrite the product controller to include additional checks. Answer: B. Subscribe and like past question.